Hi guys! Welcome to part 4 of the PowerShell GPT walkthrough. In this video, we'll explore the AI browser and the two output capture modes. This is the AI browser. This hosts the brain of the PowerShell GPT agent. You can choose from Gemini Pro, Claude, ChatGPT, and Grok. You can also use any model that you have loaded in LM Studio. To select a different model, you just click on the model's icon in the Settings panel. This allows you to use the best model for the task at hand. If voice recognition is activated, as well as selecting the model by clicking its icon, you can say switch to Claude or switch to ChatGPT, switch to Gemini, switch to LM Studio. You get the idea. For this video, we're going to use ChatGPT. You can interact with the model in the AI browser just as you would in any normal browser. In addition to what you'll normally find in your chosen model's interface is the draggable output capture panel. If it gets in your way, you can drag it off screen and it will hide itself until you need it again. This panel allows you to recapture the model's last response manually, as well as configure the output capture mode. When the model's output is captured, it is stored in a placeholder named model's response. This placeholder can be used throughout the app in PowerShell, JavaScript, and even saved prompts. Wherever the placeholder is used, it is replaced with the actual output. Here's a simple JavaScript example with a basic alert. As soon as the code gets executed, the placeholder gets swapped out, so you actually see the model's response. The Code Only option tells the app to only capture the text within a code block. To demonstrate this, I'll ask the model to output some simple code in a code block. If we run our alert code to see what the captured response was, we'll see that it's just code. If we head over to the PowerShell console and run the echo command with the placeholder, you can see it's the same. Okay. That's all well and good, but what if there's a mixture of code and text? Let's prompt the model for a mixed response. When we capture this response in full text mode as expected, we get the full text. When we switch into code-only mode instead of the whole output being captured, just the code generated by the model will be captured. Okay guys, that concludes part 4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 5.